Hello friends. So today, I am answering constant questions about baking soda with apple cider vinegar or with lemon. So, I will explain what I do, I will explain my protocol, and why I use this protocol in the context of cancer. You should know that a famous oncologist has treated, with enormous success rates, Ewing sarcoma with the aid of sodium bicarbonate in particular. So it's always disputed, it's hard to know the truth. What I can tell you, as far as I'm concerned, is that it greatly reduces my arthritis and rheumatism. So let's get to it. First of all, we never do anything at random, that is to say, first, we test ourselves with these strips that give you your pH. You see, so you buy a box like this, it's called pH test strip. If your pH is around 4 to 5, in any case, me, personally, I take it. So, I will show you, since these are the most important things you ask me, that is how I do it. I take regular baking soda, there you go, the one we put in the fridge, you see, quite simply. Here, you have the brand, it's the most known. So, I take a small spoon, there you go, about like that, you see, flat. It represents about half a teaspoon. I put it in a glass, there you go, I add a little apple cider vinegar, that is to say 2 tablespoons, there you go, about. So you see there that it foams. So the fact that it foams, it means that part of the baking soda that I just put here has disappeared. You saw, it flew into space in the form of CO2. Then, I add sparkling water. Why sparkling? Because it's better, and also, you will watch Eric Berg's video that explains why. What is the advantage of sparkling water? Namely, oxygenation thanks to CO2. Well, now, you know how I do, and I will explain why I do it. So first of all, I repeat, I test myself with the strips, the pH test strips, so that I'm sure I need baking soda. Of course, if I have a pH of 6.5 to 7, I won't take any. If I have a pH of 4 to 5.5, even there, I take it, and I dose according to this. I never dose at random. So, if I take the baking soda alone, what will our body do? It will create acid in order to neutralize it. Therefore, it is useless. If I take apple cider vinegar alone, of course, I will acidify my stomach, I will certainly not alkalinize it. By taking both, I get a small average. So, this average makes, and you certainly know it too, that lemon and apple cider vinegar, after metabolization, have a pH of 9 against 2.4 originally. Baking soda stays at pH 9. And so, of course, we alkalinize, it's what I call the ambient environment, it's what cancer hates. The proof is, when we pee out bicarbonate since we've risen to 7 to 7.5. So, this bicarbonate has indeed transited through our bodies and has, of course, alkalinized, since our body rejects it in the form of urine. In the same way, the body expels lactic acid or uric acid, or any other type of acid when you have a too acidic pH. So, acidosis is dangerous, alkalosis is dangerous, so please don't do anything rash. So now, you know that I eat OMAD, that means once a day. No matter what time I eat, I roughly wait 3 hours to take my baking soda, knowing that I can't eat anything anymore without the risk of not killing the microbes during my digestion. And that's not good at all. So, if you want to do like me, and if you want to take baking soda, you have to be serious. If you have decided to eat at noon, you take your baking soda at 3 p.m., 3 hours later, and you eat nothing more until noon the next day. If you're hungry a little earlier, and you want to eat at 10 or 11 a.m., it doesn't matter. What is important is to keep the 3 hours after, so as not to affect your digestion. There you have it, I think I've been precise, I think I've explained all this correctly. Thank you, friends, have a very, very good day. Goodbye.